guys, it's me Vincci and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I pamper myself. It's not really an overall pampering, but it's like a facial pamper. You know, we're like in quarantine today. We're in quarantine for like how many weeks now, and I don't know, I just want to film and be productive and at the same time pamper myself, because we're in this situation right now that it is so crazy, it is so insane all over the world, like especially in my country, because I don't know, the government, citizens, the pandemic, social media, everything is so stressful right now. In my personal life, my friends have been like fighting over some stuff that is happening right now. It's driving me nuts and crazy, so I decided to film and to pamper myself at the same time. I'm productive at the same time. I get to take care of myself while we are in this quarantine situation. So like, without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, first things first, I'm gonna use some of my Pixi PR because I haven't been using them since, I don't know, I just haven't got the time to use my PR stuff from Pixi, and I was like, maybe now it's like the best time to use it. I'll be showing you how to do like an at-home facial with this stuff. After this, you'll be like fresh and you just give yourself a glow up. So yeah, first things first, we're gonna wash off our face. The cleanser that I'm using is the Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel. Most of these products are like for exfoliating, so I don't do this like every day. It's best that you do this like once or twice a week. This is not my skincare routine. It's like a skincare routine, but not my regular skincare routine. This is just like if I'm feeling I need a glow up, I need to get rid of the dead skin cells on my face. You know what I mean? This is like an exfoliating cleansing gel. It removes impurities without stripping the skin's moisture, and formulated with moist, clean, and a unique blend containing glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is known for like exfoliating your skin. Most of these products contain glycolic acid. Yeah, like 3 of them. I mean, yeah. You just use this as a regular facial wash, facial cleanser. It doesn't foam. No, it's like Celatec cleansers, like similar to those. They don't really like foam and stuff. After that, you're gonna wash your face with that and then pat your skin dry. The next thing is you are going to use a peel and polish. This is like a facial scrub. It has little fruit enzymes to exfoliate and polish your skin, lifting away dead skin cells. So I layer this on like a mask and then leave it for 2 minutes and then scrub my face for 30 seconds. By the way, Pixi stuff are like really expensive here in the Philippines. They are like, let me do some research first. So the peel and polish is like 1,390 bougie here in the Philippines, but in other countries, Pixi is just like a drugstore brand. Like most of them are like worth 1,000. You just use this as a facial scrub to lift out, whatever. After leaving it for 2 minutes, scrub it for 30 seconds and then rinse it off and then pat dry again, because you will be using the Glow Mud mask. It's a 15-minute facial for clearing, glow revealing mask with aloe vera, ginseng, and mineral-rich mud combined to create the ultimate deep pore cleansing and skin energizing mask. Great for congested, dull, and tired skin, and suited for all skin types. My skin type is really like oily and acne prone, like too oily and acne prone, and I have a lot of dark spots and acne scars because I'm really acne prone, you guys. It's crazy. If I skip skincare for just one night, breakouts, pimples all over the place. I'm really a lazy motherfucking ass. You know what I'm saying? Because when I go home, I'm really tired. I just want to go to bed and then fall asleep. I'm so like lazy to do skincare, but I really need skincare. Like we all need skincare, especially me. That's why I have this, like, you know, skin issues, like with my texture, with my dark spots. That's why I really have to take an effort for my skincare. So for the glow mud mask, you just spread this product all over your face and then wait for it to dry for 15 minutes. But I kind of use a thick layer of these, so it takes me more than 15 minutes to dry it out. I actually leave it for like more than 20 minutes, I guess. And then I use this tool. I got this from Mumuso. It's like a facial spatula that you can, it's like a silicone spatula that you use to spread all over. So I wasn't able to film this part, so the next step is the T-zone peel off mask. It's a detoxifying mask that draws out impurities. I usually use this in the nose area because, and this area here, because I really have large pores there, and kinda spread it all over the area here and then wait for it to dry. And then when you peel it off, blackheads and whiteheads will be removed too. And then we can now proceed to toner. For toner, we have the Pixi Glow Tonic. This is like a really famous Pixi product, and they also sent me a big one with a pump, and it has my name on it. Isn't that cool? And it comes in with this coppery rose gold like packaging. Like the original packaging is just like the same as the others. This is like the original packaging they sent me initially, and then they sent me this recently. Also, it has glycolic acid, which helps with exfoliating. Well, they said you should pat it onto your face, but I don't really get satisfaction from patting. I know it's bad, I know it's not advisable for your skin, but what I do is grab a cotton pad, saturate it with the product, and then I sweep it onto my face upwards. And yeah, upwards, guys. Upward motions, patting motions, and circular motions for you to prevent premature wrinkles or aging signs. Well, after doing the glycolic toner, I go ahead with the glow tonic. Sorry, with the glow tonic serum. This is like a serum but with glycolic acid in it, and it's really thick. The consistency of this is really thick, you guys. I really had a hard time absorbing it into my skin or applying it to my skin because it's really thick, and I applied a lot of it just for the sake of the video. Yeah, it says massage 2 to 3 drops on cleansed tone skin before moisturizer. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I use rose quartz roller for my glow tonic serum for me to spread out the product evenly onto my face. I don't really believe that this product is like supposed to lift up your face and make it look really snatched, but I only use this just for the sake of spreading out the product onto my face, and yeah, it just looks really pretty and it feels good to have a facial massage. So you guys, can we talk about my hair? It's been 3 weeks in quarantine and my roots are like growing and it's becoming yellowy and rusty. It has purple patches because I really loaded it up with purple shampoo and conditioner, and it turned into purple in some areas, and outer areas are still, you know, coppery and like rusty already. After this quarantine, I'm gonna cut this off. I'm gonna go to the hair cutter and cut off my colored hair, and if there's still colored hair left, I'm gonna dye my hair back to black. So after that, we are going to moisturizer. I have two moisturizers here, but the other one I use for a different purpose. So the first moisturizer I have is the Phenomenal Gel. It's like a neutralizing moisturizer. It has something to do with your pH level, whatever. This one's really good. I like this. It's not greasy, it's not really heavy because it's in a gel form. Yeah, it's like really calming to the skin. And the other moisturizer is Pixi On The Glow Multi Moisture Stick. Guys, this looks like a deodorant. You know that deodorant, like the deodorant that my mom used to have? Secret, yes, it's secret deodorant. That's the secret deodorant. And this one, you guys, it's like a deodorant. You twist this thing, and then the moisturizer comes out of it, and it's really cute. I sometimes use it on my lips and on my face because it says here you can use it on face, your lips, your body, and your hair. But for the video, I showed you guys that I used it for my lips, like a lip balm, and it's quite good. I also use it sometimes as a prep for my makeup, and I prep my skin with this. It's really moisturizing. Kind of feels heavy sometimes on the face. And then for the last product that I'll be showing you guys, the Pixi Detoxifying Depuffing Eye Patches. These you guys, it really relaxes your under eyes and really calming to the under eyes, especially when it's really cold. It really feels so good and relaxing. So I guess that's it. That's it for the video, you guys. I just showed you how I do a facial at home because we can't go out and have our facial. It's not really a facial, but it's like a exfoliant. You know what? So there you have it. I showed you guys what I do with my face when I feel like I want to have a glow up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the notification bell. Somewhere, I'm not used to YouTube. It's like my first time doing a video again after a year. So I'll see you guys on the next one.